Hey there, fellow barbers and hair enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the essential maintenance task of clipper blade polishing. Whether you're a professional barber or just love to keep your hair looking sharp, keeping your clipper blades in top condition is key for precision cutting. So let's get started. Step 1. Disassembly and cleaning. First things first, we need to decide whether we're going to remove the blade from the body of the clipper or to perform the polishing with the blade still on. If you choose to disassemble your clipper blade, remove the comb blade from the guide by removing the 2 screws that hold it in place. Once separated, give the blade a thorough cleaning using a brush to remove any hair, dirt, and debris. Step 2, inspecting and maintenance. Now that our blade is clean, it's time for a close inspection. Check for any signs of damage, such as nicks, broken teeth, dullness, rust. If you notice any issues, it's essential to address them before proceeding to the polishing process. Step 3, the polishing process. Here's where the magic happens. Grab your all-purpose metal polishing compound and your Dremel. On low speed setting, apply a small amount of polishing compound to the disc. Increase the speed and using a sweeping motion back and forth, gently rub the compound onto the blade. Continue polishing until the blade shines like new. Step 4, reassembly and testing. With our blade polished to perfection, it's time to reassemble them. Carefully align the cutting blade with the guide blade, ensuring proper alignment and tension. Tighten the 2 screws. Once assembled, give the blade a quick test to ensure they're cutting smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it, folks. A simple yet effective guide on how to polish your clipper blades. By taking the time to maintain and polish your blades regularly, you'll not only prolong their lifespan, but also ensure precise and professional cutting results every time. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy clipping. Hey, if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more barbering tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy clipping.